Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at Nightmare Forest down here in Brandenburg, Kentucky, just south of Louisville. This is a two-part outdoor trail. The first part has some original scenes that they've built, and then the second half goes off of some famous movie characters. And they've got some brand new scenes that you've never seen at this haunt before. Without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Wherever we want to dance.
Shake it off.
Oh, there is a way that way.
Oh, shoot, it is a maze. Tammy, you done took us into a freaking dead end. There's a big house or something over there, though.
I think we want to go toward that way.
That's probably where we want to go, yeah.
And the haters gonna hate, 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 hate. Shake it off, shake it off.
I can't help it. They added more to that corn.
Yeah, they added it. They made it a maze.
Yep.
Oh.
I'm just gonna shake it.
Uh-oh, see, he's closing his eyes. He knows there's scary stuff in there.
Uh-oh.
How long before we scream, guys?
This is cool.
Hey, there we go! Yeah!
What a fight!
I don't. Whose foot is that?
I knocked off some dude like 2 months ago.
2 months.
Yeah!
That's what the smell is.
Yeah!
I feel like the end is near.
The end is nigh.
The end is nigh.
Where?
Will you guys having my puzzle?
I'm looking at it.
Oh my! Whatever having my puzzle.
I don't know how.
There's only one puzzle.
I like the
I can't
game.
find the color. I think it's was blueberry flavored.
Ew, don't do that.
They work. They work better if you put them in your nose.
Oh, thank
Just
you.
like that.
Right.
No.
I don't want to die.
I don't like it.
I don't like any
I
of
feel
it.
like I'm getting stared at.
I know somebody's watching me right
I
now.
know, somebody's watching. I told you somebody was watching. Oh, he's got a scarf on and everything. What is it? I think your jacket ain't working. You're going the wrong way, Tammy.
I don't know.
That way!
That way.
My GPS is broken.
Is this a castle? Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bat.
I bet.
Aw. Ooh, it's nice and dark out here now.
Oh, I don't have a good feeling about any of this. I don't like
There's
it.
too many holes. I forgot about him.
They didn't feed him enough.
No.
Okay, it's safe, she said. It's safe.
I'm not sure whether we should trust Tammy at this point.
It's not safe. That's a vampire.
It's not safe.
Oh, they done staked that one. Come back. Oh, well, oh, that's a different one.
No.
Oh, Garnetsville.
I don't like it.
I feel like Mr. Raves is out here somewhere. He's out there burying in bodies. Yeah.
Hey, you want to see something funny?
No.
Uh-oh.
Something really funny.
Yeah.
This is so funny.
What is it?
I want to see it.
All I need y'all to do is I need y'all to look that way.
Look that way.
You want us to not look at you?
Don't go back, look at me. Don't.
Oh, look that way. We just got bamboozled.
He was there and then he wasn't.
We got bamboozled.
Oh, I think he's back.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Oh.
That's the funniest thing ever seen.
Yes.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
It's pretty
I'm
good.
glad that y'all enjoyed myself.
We did.
But, unfortunately, now I gotta go back home and it's sweet and maggots. So I'll
Maggots?
see y'all.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
all right. Get them maggots. Oh, the maggots are in here?
You got me.
But, y'all come back Friday. We'll have all kinds of tequila, free tequila.
Ooh, free tequila.
Well, that sounds good.
I don't know about that.
Don't that sound?
Tequila makes
Yeah. I think he means tequila.
To kill you?
Tequila?
Yeah, tequila. This is a cave.
I feel like there's something that is going to harm us.
No.
I don't like the dark spots. I
Ooh,
can't
it got
see.
real dark. It's getting real dark. What was that? Something like went across the path. Okay.
Ooh, it's a caveman.
It is a caveman. Oh, there's a big tank.
I'm feeling very moist.
There is a tank.
Tammy, you're always moist. Oh, he's got a little something coming out of there.
Something.
Mm-hmm.
Please!
Oh, he does too.
Ah!
Oh,
Hey,
no.
does anybody know what temperature human flesh is edible at?
You have right to
98.6.
overbite.
Yeah.
Oh, is that so? It would be 225.
200? Oh my.
200.
That's
Would
pretty
anybody
hot.
like to try it?
No. I don't. Did you do
All
it?
of you.
Is that what happened? Did you do it?
Oh, I know. I eat it.
Oh, that ain't good.
Oh, good.
Look at that. Ooh.
Oh, no.
Oh man.
No. Oh, I don't like it.
I don't either.
I don't like it.
I think this is a mausoleum.
Yeah.
Ooh. Jesus. That was a good spot to be. Where'd it go? That is a fresh one. Oh. That one must be a witch. Salem. Ooh. Somebody's home. That's really cool. Built that big old cabin.
What are you doing in Salem?
We have no idea.
Oh my God.
Oh, we do like witches.
The only good witch is a dead witch.
Oh, you're wrong.
No,
That's not nice. What are they cooking? It's nice and shiny, whatever it is.
Oh
All
man.
the witches,
Oh,
didn't you?
no.
Where did he come from?
Where did you
How
come
did you get out of alive? You sold your soul to her, didn't you? That's
No.
how you did it.
I don't have a soul.
These became your thralls, didn't they?
Yes.
Our thralls, yes.
They're all my thralls, all of them.
Oh.
Woo, it changed. It got bouncy.
Oh.
been jumping on my bridge.
I wasn't jumping.
You
it,
be
Tammy?
the next sacrifice.
Oh no.
The moon be ready for it.
I was more
moon?
We
stumbling.
be throwing them bombs and telling the future, but there be no future left for you.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Oh.
Uh-oh, we're going in the mouth.
Did she just curse us?
That's not a creepy entrance to a clown house at all.
Going in the mouth.
Yeah.
Woo!
Waller it out, Tammy.
Come on in!
Just clowning around.
Hey, you gotta clown around. You trying to go into my house?
Yes, I am going in your
All right,
house.
Tammy, let's go. Come on.
Stop me.
Come on, guys. You guys want to win a prize?
Yeah.
You can't have one.
What?
That's not
You're
very nice.
mean. Okay, where we go? Where are we
Where are we
going?
going? Is it question?
Yes, girl.
Mr. Tickle, stop it!
Tickles. Oh my God. Uh-oh, look at this spooky mansion.
This is the movie portion of the haunt.
This house looks familiar.
What is it then?
It is from It.
You sure about that?
I'm pretty sure.
Well, how about y'all go in and find out what it is?
Yeah, let's do that. All right.
have to,
Thank
ain't
you. Tammy votes Psycho. I vote It. Anybody else?
YouTube, comment below.
It's it.
Yeah,
I can
YouTube.
tell you, one of y'all's right.
We're going through the scary door.
I don't want to die.
Oh no, we gotta go down in there. Oh, what is it?
This is so cool.
It is cool.
dive.
We're descending into the sewer, maybe? I don't trust it.
I don't either.
Oh, that one's real. Holy shoot. Oh, man.
I don't like it at all.
What do you mean you don't want to go down the dark, sketchy hallway?
No.
Something's about to happen.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, he sounds
It's
excited.
not disconcerting at all.
No, not at all.
Yes. We gotta find it. We gotta find our boat, though, Pennywise.
Now, which one's this?
This one's the Exorcist.
Hear the music?
There's probably somebody in there that's possessed. I think she's been sick.
She seems angry.
What's this?
Thanksgiving, maybe?
John Carver. And then what's it say? I can't read the sign.
Pioneer Cabin.
Oh, yep, Thanksgiving. We know what's for dinner.
Now I want turkey.
Oh my God, it's in here on the table, Tammy. They are ready for us. Oh, it's a human turkey. Oh, shoot, look out, look out. What?
Yeah, I'm
We're
thankful for my
human
life.
turkeys.
Oh God! He's coming down! Oh God!
Uh-oh.
Oh, one of Nora's favorites.
This looks suspicious.
13 ghosts. Watch out, the walls might move. The question is, which ghost are we gonna get? Comment below, which one?
None of them.
I don't have anything. Okay.
What is this?
I don't know. Oh, this is, I know what this is.
I don't like it.
I think it's Evil Dead.
Oh, I don't like it at all. F these chainsaws.
This must be alien related.
Spaceship of some kind.
Yes. Oh, there's one of the pods down there. Ew.
Oh God! It's an alien!
Shoo. This was Last of Us. We must survive the apocalypse. That one got me. Oh God, there's a car mirror there.
Oh, hello.
Oh, there's another one there. Oh, that one's making noises at us. Uh-oh. That's a lot of crosses.
Wonder how many people are dying to get in here.
All of them?
Everyone.
Oh, there's our spot right there.
I just want to get in there and snuggle.
Ooh, that looks
Oh,
Uh-oh.
there's a
Oh,
nun
my.
and it's hanging.
What is going on in this church?
Oh God.
Oh my.
She didn't make it.
Oh my, this is creepy as hell.
Oh,
What's in there?
This is bad. This is real bad.
No. Yep, that way, okay. All right. Uh-oh, they must like nuns around here. Oh no, there's one in front of us.
Oh God.
Creepy.
Oh,
she's over there.
God. She's still angry.
Uh-huh.
Oh God.
It knows.
It's the shape.
He probably doesn't want to hug me either.
Probably not. Happy Halloween. Who knows whose house this is? Kind of looks like
It's a bloody
Sawyer's
one.
house. Oy, oy, oy.
Oh no.
Oh, what is this? Oh.
This can't be
Uh-oh,
good.
Bubba.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I hear it. Shh.
Me too. Well, in the...
I feel like we're back at camp.
Uh-oh.
Oh God,
She's right there. Oh my God.
Oh God.
Jesus Christ.
You can't do that.
He's fast.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh.
Oh shoot, it's dark. Oh no.
How do
There's
we get
so
out?
many of them. Oh. Oh. Oh my God, he just stabbed me.
How do we get
I
out?
don't know how we get out. Oh, what is that?
School's in.
Okay.
This one's brand new.
Yeah, it is. Oh. Uh-oh. I think we should hide in the gym. Okay. Oh, 9, 10.
Never sleep again.
We don't really like to sing when our demise is coming. Uh-oh. What's that? Shoot. Oh my God.
That is hot.
Oh, hey, Freddie. Oh my God.
Nightmares.
No, not those either.
Oh no.
No, fresh out of those.
Ew. That's creepy.
Welcome to prime time.
Yeah. Yeah.
See you in hell.
Ready?
Well, as always, Nightmare Forest has some awesome movie scenes out there. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If you enjoyed this one, I got another one for you right here. It's called Grim Trails. It's a haunt all about fairy tales, myths, and legends. You are not gonna wanna miss it. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.